I know it's been a while. I've been absentee for a little while. I have been moving and I have been super stressed, super down, and haven't been able to keep up with anything. So I had to take a break for a little while so I can get things done, find us a place, pack, move. But during all the stress, my body has been going through a lot of changes, and you can tell. My hair has been doing the thing again. It's been super flaky, dandruffy, super itchy. So, and I was waiting for these bad boys to come in the mail by Calia. It's organic shampoo and conditioner that I got from Holistic Habits. She uses this in her hair. One of the shampoos that she uses in her hair. And she always has really good results. That's why I'm giving this Calia a try today. And we'll see how it goes. And it's actually not that expensive. It's only like $13, $14 a bottle. And it did take like about a week. So I'm transitioning to this and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm getting ready to take a shower and wash my hair. I've oil treated my scalp today with just coconut oil, organic coconut oil. And I'm gonna give this Calia a try. It is the Calia made with organic ingredients hydrating conditioner with lavender, bergamot, and rose geranium essential oils. And then we have the purifying shampoo for normal hair with the Spanish rosemary and clay sage essential oils. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go take a shower and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. So far, I'm loving the Calia Natural Organic Shampoo and Conditioner. It's amazing. It smells good. It smells natural. And my hair is just loving it. My scalp is having no problems besides the aloe scalp treatment I've been doing. But in combination with this organic shampoo and conditioner, my hair is loving it. My scalp feels much better, much cleaner, no problems, no itchiness. As you can see, hardly any flakes. There's maybe a flake here and there, but so far, we are loving, me and my hair are loving Calia Natural's organic shampoo and conditioner. It's amazing. I highly recommend you trying this if you're looking for an organic shampoo to try and get toxin free. It's amazing. My hair feels great, and we will be using it from now on. It is the bomb diggity, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it too. Till we meet again, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you next time. Bye.